My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2004 Sea Ray 420 Sundancer. You can see up top it's equipped with radar as well as a KVH antenna system for your TV. And a camper canvas surrounding the cockpit area of the boat. Back here you have the swim platform and then a nice storage locker right there. Entering on the port side. Nice seating space and then a hard top off of that camper canvas. You have a TV in the cockpit and then storage compartments and then as well as a refrigerator out here. Up the helm you have a nice long bench seat and then a helm seat, captain's chair. It has upgraded Raymarine screens, 2 of them. A bow thruster on this boat as well. And down below, galley you have your microwave TV and then 2 refrigerators. Nice counter space, cabinet space. On this side you have a sofa that slides out to make it more of a sleeper style. And then a table that obviously can move around. And aft we have a nice seating area that converts into a sleeping area. And then there's a door, pocket door that'll close off this. And then as well as a day head, second head. We have the V-berth cabin. Good storage on each side. Another TV. And then starboard we have separate shower. And port is the head. And right by the entrance there's your control panel. So generator, shore power, your AC/DC panels, and the ignition switches too. Walk out to the bow. Nice sun pad with the sink grip on the bow. If you'd like more information on this boat, please reach out to SkipperBud's. This one's out of our Marina Del Isle location in Marblehead, Ohio.